So we have another question we're trying to answer. Have you ever done interview as interviewer? Ano po usually tinatakal? Related tech stacks of what your company is using. So yes, I have already done interviews as an interviewer. It was 2021 when I started interviewing candidates. That's the year when I became a technical lead and eventually became a dev manager. And then this year, I stayed as a senior software engineer / technical architect. So what I ask for, depende kasi yan, no? When you ask question to the candidates, depends if the candidate is applying as a junior, a mid, or a senior developer. If it's a junior developer without experience, or if it's a fresh graduate, what we usually ask is sometimes we ask if the applicant is familiar with OOP language or object-oriented programming language. And if that applicant is familiar with OOP, we ask what is polymorphism. We ask if he is familiar with the inheritance, extensions, mga ganung bagay. Now, aside from that, we also ask for situational, no? Kasi, of course, we need to know the character of the applicant. Now, if the applicant has an experience, 1 to 2 years experience, but still a junior developer, and has an experience on the Microsoft Dynamics side or Enterprise Resource Planning side, we ask what module he or she already worked on. Kasi dun kami magbabase ng mga tanong. Let's say the applicant has already worked on a warehouse module or warehouse management module or financial module. So we ask yung mga if it's a warehouse management, anong part of the warehouse management siya nag-work. We ask the functional questions first kasi it's always it's very important for a developer or a software engineer to know the process or the business process of Microsoft Dynamics. We ask yung mga basic questions of programming in X++ and kung ano yung mga objects na ginagamit namin in customizing Microsoft Dynamics. Second one, if it's a mid developer, we ask then again, yung mga na-work na siya na module and kung ano yung mga hinawakan niya na types of tasks or projects, no? And then from there, we are going to ask ano na ba yung mga ginamit niyang technologies, and we also ask situational questions. So we give a sample problem. So let's say, for example, in a database, or if there is going to be a big import of data or a big insert of data, what type of technology are you going to use, and what type of logic are you going to use to not affect the performance?